This is a quick tutorial on how to copy assignments in more details, especially with those periods that have a mainstream and a TR or multiple classes within one period. With every new software, you want to make sure that you give yourself a little time, patience, and you will become proficient with it. I'm going to go to the gradebook for one of my periods. I'm just going to go to my period 1, one of the sections. I click on the gradebook. This is the easiest way to create and copy an assignment. If you notice, there's this M and S in the upper left-hand corner. I cannot create an assignment when I'm in the M view. So there's going to be a little add assignment in the upper right. I have to get to that by clicking on the S. The S means it's a singular view. So if you notice, there was a mainstream and a TR for this one class. To make sure I know what period I am in, I'm just going to mouse over the heading, the course section, and it will tell me what period I am in. Now you notice that there is this add assignment. I'm going to click on the add assignment. My assignment detail becomes, I am going to add the title of the assignment. I have the date assigned, which is optional. The due date is required. I'm going to click on the calendar, select a date for when that is going to actually be graded and counted in their grades. Give it a description if I want. Category, I select one of my categories from the pop-down menu. Specify the points, whatever the points happen to be. I always want to publish the item, publish the score. That's what the green oval means. I now go to my copy and I select my classes that I want to go to. So if you notice, I always want to be aware of what is inside the parentheses. So I was in this section right here, the 2014 F-9, so I do not want to copy it back into itself. I will duplicate the assignment. So I deselect for the one class I'm in, and I select the other classes that I wanted to go to. When I have selected the classes that I wanted to go to, I then do OK, and it will automatically save the assignment, and it will also go to the other classes. So I can enter scores when I'm in the multiple selection. So if you notice, I have the one assignment, and I can enter the scores for all of my students that are in my period 1. I want to make sure that I check my other classes just to make sure. I click on the change. I am in my quarter 1. I don't want to show all. That's going to show all of my quarters. So it sees quarter 3, quarter 4. I don't want to get confused, so I deselect show all. I only want to show my quarter 1 classes. So I'm going to go to my period 4 just to make sure that I copy properly. I have my test, I'm in my multiple view, and I can start entering my scores. So again, the easiest way to create an assignment is click on the S. That gives you the singular view. You can double check where you're at by mousing over the course number, and it will tell you your period. Then you click on the plus for the assignment, title, the due date, category, points, and then publish item, publish score, and then go to your copy. Make sure you look at what's in parentheses and copy to the other ones except for what's in parentheses. If you have any other questions, feel free to put in a help desk ticket or contact one of your ed techs. Thank you. Here is a quick hint on issues with assignments and when you have a grayed out entry for the scores. This is telling me that you have an assignment that is either not copied in one of your sections. So if I go to this class, this is my period 4, I have a mainstream and a TR for my period 4. I need to make sure the assignment is in both of those sections before I can enter scores for everyone. So I'm going to go to my gradebook for the period 4. I am in my multiple view, I need to switch to my single view so I can see, is this assignment in both of my sections? So if you notice, this is my main stream and the assignment is not there. I'm going to change the view to my TR, my period 4 TR. I click OK. And here's that assignment. So it's in one of my sections, but it's not in my other section. I want to make sure that I have this assignment in both my TR and my mainstream. So I'm going to click on the heading of that assignment. I'm going to copy that assignment, and I want to make sure where I'm at. So I look at what's in parentheses and what's in parentheses here. So here's the period 4 TR. I want to copy it to my period 4 mainstream. I copy, and when I now go to my multiple view, I'm going to see that I do not have any of the gray bars. That means that this assignment is in both my TR and my mainstream. So whenever you see those grayed out, that means double check the assignment is in both of the sections for that class. Thank you.